Motorcycle Farkle? What the hell is that? So a lot of times I hear you guys over on the other side of the pond refer to these things as Farkle. Over here in the States, I would consider it called accessories, useless accessories, crap that you put on your motorcycle that may or may not look good. I don't know. Sometimes known as dress-up accessories here in the States. Hear that ambulance? It's always something. Well, sometimes I just cannot help myself to buy miscellaneous accessories for this Triumph. I'm loving it so much. I did find one part that I think they should have put on stock, and that is the yoke nut, the top yoke nut for the steering stem. They put a silly chrome one on, while the fork top tube caps are like a billet aluminum look. So why not have the Thruxton nut on there? So I bought one. It was only $16, which is awesome. Not very expensive. I think they should have done that from the factory anyway. But it's going to look a heck of a lot better. I'll take off the old chrome one. I'll put on the awesome new Thruxton version and torque it down. It should be good to go. So let's get to this. First thing I have to do is mark where the handlebars are currently. Therefore, I can get them back in the correct place right away. Basically, all I'm doing here is taping this so I can put a mark so I can get the proper location. One continuous line. One continuous line. These up and out of the way. Jam a towel in here. So originally, I made this socket. I cut this down because I thought I could sneak it in under the handlebars, which I could not do, even with a flex joint. So I had to take the bars off. I was just trying to cut corners, and that did not work. So it's an inch and a half. I forget what the metric size is, but I just grabbed an inch and a half because they're readily available in America. Let's see. Hopefully I can get enough torque on this. Oh, yep, there we go. That was easy. Quite a difference. This looks so much nicer, just way more high-end. So, Loctite is a must. They claim you should use blue because it's less permanent. I'll just put a couple dabs, nothing crazy. Just to help it grip. Oh, it smells like blueberries. That's new. Wow. Oh yeah, look at how nice that is. I don't know if you can see, but I actually taped the interior of this socket so it wouldn't mar up this here. I read for the Thruxton. I didn't actually see anything specifically for the Speed Twin, but I'm sure since it's a Thruxton part and everything is very similar, that 66 foot-pounds is the answer for the torque, which I had already preset here. A little extra. There we go. And I messed it up. What do you know? Oh boy. Aluminum's so weak. Well, these are only 16 bucks. It tweaked sideways ever so slightly. I need a shorter extension. It's not the end of the world. Looks better anyway. 66 foot-pounds, and these bolts are going to be 20 foot-pounds. This is another must-have dress-up accessory in my opinion. Why have this plastic oil filler when you can have this really nice Triumph version? It's kind of a steel gray. It's super simple and tight. Just a little snug. It's got a nice O-ring. It's good to go. That's all there is to that. And how about these guys? Triumph valve cap covers. No one will ever see these, but at least I know they'll be on there. They're so much nicer than a plastic one anyway. Wow, pretty. Amazing! These little guys I would consider a not must-have. They are cool, but I think they're a little overpriced for what they do. And I have a feeling, because all there is a set screw holding these on, that there's a very good chance if you don't check them periodically, they may rattle off, depending. They haven't yet. I've actually had these on for quite a while though, so we'll see. But they do look a little nicer. Well guys, there's a few bolt-on accessories for you. Farkle, in other words. I'm disappointed in myself that I took precautions not to scar up the nut here on the steering, but I did anyway. So for 16 US dollars, I could always buy another one and do it over again. I may do that. It still looks a heck of a lot better than the other one. So I'm happy with that. Like I said before, this is 66 foot-pounds and 20 foot-pounds for the handlebar bolts. I just did that by feel, and I'm not worried about them flying off. If anything, they would twist. Well, thanks for watching, guys. Please like and subscribe if you like what you're seeing. Hit that bell notification, because coming soon, it's a little project that some of you may like. So thanks for watching. See you guys next time.